Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to explain how you can create a chatbot or live chat for your WordPress website. So this application is called Tidio, allows you to create a live chat or now an AI support chat that can reply you customers in your WordPress website. Okay, so that's pretty handy because with that you can have an automated responses, or you can have your agents or your customer replies on the live chat. Okay, so first thing that we need to do, if you go through your website and access to your backend here in dashboard, okay, we're just gonna go and install this plugin. So here in plugins we're going to add new, and on the right side here in search we are going to search for Tidio. Okay, so Tidio is that platform. I already have installed that plugin, is Tidio Live Chat and AI chat bots. So you go, you install it, and after install, you activate it, and then you will see that it's here, Tidio chat. Okay, so we're just gonna set up for the first time. I'm gonna do it with you. Okay, you can create a new one, or if you already have an account, so you just need to log in. Okay, but I believe if you are in this video, you want to create a new account. So let's gonna create an account. So here I put that in there and password as well. I agree with the terms, and then let's gonna get started. Okay, I already have account, so I'm just gonna log in and then do it again. So log in. Okay, now probably it will link you to the platform Tidio. So you just need to create a new project. I'm just gonna create this project with you. And as you can see here, what's the name? So you can put the name of the project. So you just put new project, okay, or the project, or maybe your website name. And here is what is this a job role that the best described. What I do is marketing, okay, or if you're a founder or customer success, and I want to interact via email, WhatsApp, Instagram. The good thing of Tidio is integrate with all these platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and website. So we're just gonna put website, also email. Next, and then here we will say optimize Tidio for your company. My company industry is services, agency, beauty, content, restaurant. So whatever you are in here, you can just put other and add. If you're an agency, you put in there. My company size is only me, depends how many people, you can put that as an information. My company gets this number of inquiries per month, let's say 250, or maybe just 1 to 10, whatever. Okay, you put that information and how was your website built, WooCommerce, PrestaShop, Shopify, WordPress, and if it's Webflow, you can put Webflow, another. Next, and then we keep going here, get set up for success. So it's very simple. I want to have Tidio up and running as soon as possible, and up currently, well, you can put without within 1 month, or just playing around. So we can probably put just playing around. And I'm currently using, this is different widgets. If you guys want, I can create different videos with the different live chats, senders, intercom, email, or what you're using in order to communicate. So let's gonna put that is another one, okay, which is talk with very good. Did you learn about Tidio, podcast, blog, YouTube? Well, you can say YouTube and then mention me. Have you used Tidio before? Maybe say no, okay, and then start it. So here say, where would you like to begin? So if you want to use an AI agent, it will be good. Configure help desk. Let's gonna start with the offer live support. Okay, so this is what I want to do. Let's gonna start for that. We're gonna have just a live support because you or your team or someone there can reply to your customers. Also, I'm gonna show you how you can do that with AI. Okay, so that will be also a good point. So here, okay, first thing, integrate with WooCommerce. If you don't have WooCommerce, you just need to install WooCommerce, right? And then approve, and that's it. So we're gonna approve, and that is because if you have an online store, you can also sell products. It will be also good. Okay, open Tidio panel, and this is what we're going to do. So here, okay, first thing, okay, you got 7 days full trial. Start now. Let's go. And then here, what are we going to do? Simulate a conversation. Okay, so let's gonna simulate a conversation. What is all of that? It must be maybe probably over the trial to see how it works. As you can see here right now, that's the widget, it's a pop-up, and this is how it will be. Hi there, if you need any assistance, I'm here to help. Hello. And then the first thing that it say is, okay, introduce yourself. So you can put here your email account at email account, or whatever email you have. And then you can sign up. We have an option to sign up the newsletter. So send, and then as you can see here is a sign or belt, something that an alert that tells you that we have a chat. Okay, so hi, and then see how that works. Okay, as you can see right now is here a sign, so I'm just gonna go through, and is email at email, which is the conversation that I have, and here I can join this conversation, say hello, how are you? Okay, so as you can see now, if I'm going to the trial or to this test, you will see that now I replied to that panel. Okay, I'm just gonna open here, hello, how are you? Good. All right, so I'm just gonna go here quickly, okay, because I wanna explain how you can set up this in an easy way and start using it, okay? As you can see here, task complete, so okay, new task, we did it. So connect you with your mailbox, that's a good thing because you can connect that using Tidio and also with your email account. So what we're going to do is connect that to your email account, and then in here say connect with your existing email. So if you have an email account and then you want to use it, say okay, I want to use my one in here, you just need to connect that. Okay, that is the way to do it. So you can use Gmail. Okay, so you just need to follow all these instructions, and then every time that you have an inquiry or test or chat, it will go through your Gmail or through the email, okay, that you assign. You just need to follow up this process, and then you will receive the notification. Okay, so if you want me to explain how to do that, you put me on the comments below, I will explain that, but it's so simple. You just need to follow the instructions in here. You go to Gmail, right, you put that into the forward tab, you go to settings, add this code in here, and that's it. Okay, so you will need to do I'll do it for you. Well, it's pretty simple. Okay, and connect that, and that it will be connected. Okay, so that is in here also. Send the address, it will be the Tidio, it will be reply, automatic responses, it will gonna add automatic responses. All this is to set up the help desk. Okay, so let's go into the important things, and I'm gonna show you quickly, okay, all the information about Tidio. Tidio is a great chatbot. Okay, so probably is one of the best at the moment in the market. And then here is what we have. Okay, so we got the inbox, it will be in that. I'm here in the left, and here is the inbox where you have all the conversations. Okay, we have this AI chatbot. I'm gonna go in a bit. Okay, here is the flow. If you want to, what's the flow, if in case that you have a workflow in your company that you, for instance, if you're selling a product and then someone is asking you information about the product, you can follow up the setup support flow, and in order to create funnels in order to sell products. Okay, I'm not gonna set up this anymore. Customers, and every time that someone is going through your chatbot, it will becoming a customer. Okay, and then those customers you can assign them and then put them into, that's the now live, so it will be myself as a test, but you can here start the chat, and that it will be the conversation that I was before. Okay, and as you can see here on the conversation, you have the last conversation unassigned because it's not assigned to any one of that. I'm gonna explain right now, okay, after this screen, how you can do that. As you can see here down below, you have also the Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. You can add that. You can synchronize this, so integrate. So if you have a WhatsApp number and then you want to do that, instead to going through your email, goes through your WhatsApp, you can do that as well. Same as the Instagram. So if you have an Instagram account and someone is texting you, you can filter that and use with Tidio and as well as Messenger. Okay, Cool. So let's go in here. That's the no, sorry, was there customers, and then that's the analytics. So tickets open, conversation, operators, leads, and AI chat. Okay. So next thing that I want to say is the settings. This is what we're going to do right now. So here in settings is how, as you can see here, this is how it looks like right now. That's the widget, and you can customize that. As you can see here, channel. Okay, we're going to the channel live chat, the appearance. So here you got the background color. You can change that. Imagine that you want to change the different color, right? So you can put different colors as well. As you can see, let me close this. It will be like that. Welcome image, if you want to put any welcome. If you want to put a picture in there like your logo, let's gonna put that for your logo. You can Amy Web's logo, and then you can put it here. Let me see if you can do that. You can put your logo of your company, or perhaps if you want to do a picture for the agent, or maybe just the favicon, okay? Or nothing. You can put nothing, and that's fine. Online status, we reply immediately. You can change that. As you can see here, this is there. We reply immediately when it's online. And then where the widget position, if it's left or if it's right on the screen. Just gonna put right. Button label, chat with us. That is a pop-up here that you can change as well. Enable widget sounds. If you want to make that sounds, probably it's annoying sometimes, but that is a good, call to action to that. Brand logo, custom branding is available for Tidio Plus plan, so you can do that, and then you can put custom branding logo. Widget visibility, so display the widget, say yes, otherwise you are not going to see that widget on your website device, both of the desktop and mobile. Okay, that's important, but you should know that also, as you can see here, as you can see here, you can only put for different, only desktop or only mobile devices, okay? So going ahead, you can hide for a specific page. That's a good point, because imagine that you don't want to display that widget into the checkout, okay? Because maybe you can stop the checkout or on the car, okay? So same is here. You can just put the URL and that's it. Display the chat when you are offline. Okay, that it will be a good point. Let visitors to create a critic when you're offline. Good. Offline, we typically reply in a few minutes. So you have this message or this message in order to put that, and offline message is you were currently. You can change that if you want. Okay, so what else we're going here is get started. So here when you get started is hi there, and then that's the message. Again, you can change that, and you can put the background if you want. Mobile widget is where do you want to display the button position, left or right, so you can change that in the mobile view, and the button size. Okay, pre-chat survey, that's a good point. If you want to capture some information for your customers, right, just say the email, or also you can ask the name. For instance, you can add these questions, right, that it helps you to create your database. As you can see here on the right, say email and then your name. So as you can, instead to ask, it will be already pre-filled. Okay, and what else you can ask? The phone number and the GDPR compliance. So you can add them in here so they can check that, and you can put the information in there. Okay, routing rules. So if you have different departments, so imagine that you want to ask for billing, or you want to ask for different products, okay, or is something departments that depending what you service, you can create different departments and assign them for different chat purposes, okay? And the good thing as well is the multi-language. So at the moment it's in English, but you can put it in different ones, as you can select here translation, for instance. That's the default, but I think, or I believe that you can also put it in different language. In here, as you can see, let me take that. In here, you can put it in Korean or Italian, or Portuguese, Spanish, okay? So that it will be to create a translation, okay? That's good. That's like that. So we're just gonna save, and then going to, that's the appearance. And here we're going through the next one is the sidebar, where is what do you want to display the sidebar? In the red on the live, let's gonna enable first, as is this thing in here. I believe it's gonna see. Let me see if I can. It's that chat with us, okay? And that it will be a sidebar on your website that someone can click in there, and then when they click, as you can see here, right, they will open the chat. Text color dark or light, so I'm just gonna put a light label, that's fine, and I'm happy with that. Okay, installation. So the installation here, I believe that I installed the plugin. So as you install the plugin, the installation, it will be already, you see, as the code is already installed properly, and now we can use. Let me see, I'm just gonna break this right now, right? And going through this side, okay? So that it will be the side, and I believe that, as you can see here, is already there. Let me remove myself from the middle, and as you can see here is down below here that you can see that it say, hey there, if you need any assistance, I'm always here, okay? So they can just say hello, and then as soon as they want to text you or connect with you, they will be, please introduce yourself. And here you put, they should put the email, right? Emilio, and then what is the name? Emilio, and then send, and then I will receive an email, okay? Sorry, an email, text, and notification. And also on the chat, if I'm going now to the live chat, in here in my inbox, I will see that someone wants to talk to me, okay? Enable notification, allow, and then that's it. Okay, unassign, that's the unassign. I'm just gonna join, and as you can see here is there, okay? Hello, Emilio, how can I help you? Okay, and then that it will be, as you can see here, that it will be the chat, okay? If I'm going to my website, as you can see here, I got that, hello, Emilio, how can I help you? Cool. So look, this is a good way to have you chat, and I'm gonna go explain more things. So don't worry. It's just to explain like how that works. Okay, but at least we already have this chat installed in your website. And now I'm gonna explain more things, like for instance, know how to edit. Remember here, settings. I'm gonna go to settings, and then what things we have. The installation is done, chat page. So we have a chat page, which is okay inside of your WordPress site. You have a chat page that you can open. Okay, as you can see here is there, chat URL. You can create that. I'm just gonna copy this, and I need to upgrade that to start. So it's just to show you, but I can't because you need to open the chat page, and for that I need to upgrade the plan. So I'm gonna update. Okay, search the engine optimization. That's good. So here you can also put your name of your website and the meta descriptions as well. That if you want to create like a page, extra page. Okay. But I'm not gonna do it, okay? And the translation. So here, what do we want to translate? If you have a different, let's gonna put in Spanish, okay? So I want to translate that in Spanish, and then you have here English, and then now I have Castellan, okay, that's a Spanish, and in here you can change all of the, if we are online, how that it will be in translate. Estamos conectados, we are offline, no estamos conectados, chat, okay? So that it will be the translation, okay? Help desk is the connection that we did previously, but that it will be connecting to your mailbox. Again, questions in the comments below. Sorry, in the comments below, will be explain how to do that, okay? Facebook Messenger. So here you can connect with your Facebook Messenger, Instagram, so you can connect with your Instagram account, and WhatsApp with your WhatsApp, okay? So you can create direct message, reply windows, and then reply window, which is like, okay, in certain amount of time you can do that. You have 24 hours to reply your message received from customers. And flows, boost your productivity by adding flows here, flows to automate routines and conversation. That is really helpful. The account, so here you can set up your account, you can put the name of the project, the picture of you or the company, the email, region, okay, language, and the password. Notifications, so the notifications that you have to that, so new message, it will be an email, web notification, new chat, but let's see. Operation hours, so that it will be good, because if you set this up, so for instance, in your time frames that you are out of these time frames, the plugin or the widget, it wouldn't display, and it will say like, we are offline, okay, leave a message and someone can reply to you later. Okay, so you just need to set this up and that's it. Just gonna go here, and that's the responses. So that's the automatically responsive that you can use using this hashtag, and then go for the hi. So you reply with all of that. Okay, you can set this up. It's really it's really handy. Okay, so if you have heaps of leads or conversation, they will help you. Workflow, so you can set up this workflow here. I'm going in this way. Okay, workflow, so you can it's manual. So you can assign that chat. So for instance, as you can see, I went and assigned myself or joined to the chat, but it's a round robin, which is if it's any operator free, and they, if they are free, okay, so you can set up this assignment to the conversation, right, using round robin, okay? It will be automatically assigned to conversation evenly in a sequent order, okay? Manual, operator assigned to themselves so imagine that you have a team and then you want to assign them, you can do that manually. At the moment it's safe as a manually, but you can do that as a round robin, and it's just like that. So you press and then it will do that automatically. Automatic solve, so that is to enable that if you can, because every time you have a conversation, you can create a ticket, and that ticket, it will be, you can solve on solve. Okay, I'll show you that in a bit what I'm talking about. Teams, if you want to create different, so I have myself, but you can add more people into your Tidio account. Okay, and it's that in here, you add operator, you just put the name, email, and then they will send notification so they can join to your account. Okay. Departments, so you can create departments in here. So as I said, for instance, you can create like accountants, or you can create billings, or you can create customer service. Okay, and then you put there all the operators. Service level, so you can create different service. That's a good thing here. A service level agreement is a contract between you and your customers that specify performance measurement for support. So for instance, that needs to be complete by 12 hours. Here you can put and assign the hours of reply. Okay, that's a policy name, and you're gonna do that. Customer satisfaction, so you can create a customer satisfaction survey, okay, that you can see here by these emoticons, or let me see which I'm in the middle. You can put these faces or icons, okay, emojis that they can click and then say if they are satisfied or not. That is a good point to value what is the customer service that you offering in your chat. Okay. We're going through the downloads app, so here you can download the Tidio into your iOS or Android or Mac, Windows, or like Linux. Okay, contact property, so you can create a contact property that you can use it with or integrate it with all these CRMs. Okay, so you got Hotspot, Salesforce, or Soho. Okay, so that's good because maybe you have your customers going there in the inbox, and then you can link them integrate them into the CRM. Okay, so it will be synchronized. As you can see, you can also integrate Tidio with other apps to keep your contacts synchronized. Projects, okay, if you have any projects, so I'm just gonna go here, projects. Let me put me back in there. Sorry, I'm just gonna make myself a little bit smaller that you can see the screen. So okay, so here in projects preference, I want to see in here you got the URL that it will be URL. In my case is temporary domain. So in here URL, the region is in Australia, the in Sydney. Enable reports, yes. Frequency once a week, you can change that for every day, every 3 days, once a month. Yeah, okay, that it will be sent to your email account, visitor notifications, and that's it. Okay, billing, that it will be where is your billing assigned to. The subscription at the moment, I have a basic free plan. Okay, you can use Tidio for 7 days for free, which is great, and after that you will need to pay. You just go here and upgrade your account, or after your 7 days trial, don't worry that they're gonna make you to upgrade. Okay, so you have here the cost is the starter plan, 24 to $70 USD, or you got the growth 14 with 17 cents. It's weird. Oh, yeah, okay, so that, and then you have the Tidio Plus is per month. Okay, so that's per month. It's not bad. It's 290 USD dollars per year, 599, and then here you can handle how many conversations. Okay, and it's not bad. Ideal for a small business, as you can see here, and also you can have here the AI, right? So the AI will be good because now we are going to see how that works. But then you got the prices in here. Domain, so you can connect your domain in here at the moment with Tidio. Tracking, if you want to track with a different, for instance, events that it happens in your website, the user login, the user registration, contact page visit. So that's good because you can track that. And the developers, if you need, in case that your developers wants to do some projects or API, it could also be in there. Okay. The project, so that it will be there, and that's it. So this is pretty much what it can offer Tidio. And then now let me go here, and before we go is set up Lyro in AI, and here is where you need to do the enter your URL. So okay, I'm just gonna enter my URL and see how that works. I never used that before. And then put it here and then enter your URL. Okay, I'll do it again and I'll do it again. Okay, so enter URL, enter URL. URL is already in use. Okay, so I don't need to put it anymore. I'll put once and that's it. Add website content for your URL. That's it. Content. Beautiful. Okay, so that it will be the AI chatbot, and then see use it be in progress. So I'm just waiting to see what's happening, and as you can see, it's in progress. So you need to do that, and then once it's complete, use it by in progress. I believe that we can do some AI hub. Let me see. Follow these steps to complete Lyro, add in knowledge. Okay, I'm just adding the website, test, active, and module reviews and questions. Okay, so that it will be good because you can create a knowledge base using AI. Okay, so then you can train your AI, and that way you probably start avoiding to have agents, right? People going and reply them, and the AI can reply for it. Okay, I'm just gonna activate that for now to see how that works. Okay, Lyro is active now, as you can see here. I did it, so it's pretty much what I did. So AI support agents will answer visitors' questions using knowledge you provide. Okay, and then got it. And test, let's gonna test it out to see how that works. Okay, test Lyro with your knowledge. What do customers, what is that? Okay, hello, can I help you? Hi, how can I help you? Please give me, oh, okay, let's gonna say, for instance, pricing. Okay, let's see, what is this AI? Okay, I'm afraid I don't have any information about pricing or product pricing. Anyway, I know it. Let's see, without your access temporary component full, talk to a person. So you can talk to a person, okay? But let's say, for instance, I want to know something. What service? What service are you offering? Say, let's see what service I'm offering, right? And I believe it's because I provide my URL. So with the URL, let me see. The main service offering in the website includes a short description of your service. Oh, okay. A short description of, or unfortunately, the documents. Okay. I believe that you need to do some work in here to, that's the playground. Okay. You need to, right? That's the data. That's the thing. And then suggestions in here. And then, what is that? Let me see. What are the service we are offering? Okay. So that's the, what offering process, what the company. Okay, and I think here the company offer web designer. Okay, let me see if that's true. That's what actually I'm doing. How the customers describe their overall experience. Let me play with that. I think here is where you can play. Now I'm just gonna go through the playground and asking these questions. What is the purpose of this website? Okay, let me see. What is the purpose of this website? Can I put it there? Let me see. Wow. My name is Later and it's smart friendly. Okay, the purpose of this website is to provide a short description. We offer the website containing. Okay, let's see here. What does the company do? The company offers web design, development, and digital marketing service. Beautiful. All right, so that means it works somehow. Okay, so you will need to play somehow around, but that is a really powerful tool because as you can see, you can train that thing. Customer have any web's customer service starting is always happy. Okay, that's you see that's saved today by finishing a project perfection within a day. Beautiful. Okay, so I didn't do anything. I mean, I didn't write this, and as you can see here is all the information. In here, you can also create a task, right? And I believe that if it's something like a workflow, right, that you can do that. And I know because I create that before here. Welcome to flow, and then now you can create this say handle missed conversation. So you can create workflows with people like look like all the operators are offline, but you can make that. Let's gonna use this template, right? Sorry for keep you waiting. We'll get back to you soon. And then you keep the email or let's say the phone number, and then put that into a database, and then we can call them back, which is look like the operator let us know and reply by email. Okay, activate that, and that it will be a good workflow that we can do. Okay, so you just need to go here, and now it's a proactive welcome message that it will be every time that someone goes through the website. If we are not available, then it will pop up that message in here. Okay, which is the conversation, nothing in there, edit notes, and that's it. I think it's fine. You can create from the scratch, and this is what I was talking about. For instance, if it's someone first visit, you can put send it. Let's gonna put here what we want to do is send a message. You can put what message do you want, right? And then create these workflows like say, oh, send an email, random tag, and then you can create these workflows in order to put the best overview or the best option for your customers. Okay, there's plenty of those. Please, if you have questions, let me know in the descriptions. I will try to help you, but you can play so many things around. I'm not sure that's an overview of this, how to do for the first time, okay? But that's the thing that that this is in here, okay? And that's it. So the AI, it works in here, monitor and review. As you can see, I already set this up. You got the knowledge information in here, data source that you can put in there. That it will be all right. So that it will be for my website, all the information, but you can put another data source. Like for instance, if you have a spreadsheet PDF that you can put in there, and then it will pull all the information. So the AI, it will reply to your customers, right? Pulling the information from this data source. The playground, the task, and the configuration if you want to do any configuration, conversation handoff, and when operators offline, okay? Do some emojis, information language, which is fine, okay? And pretty much that's it. In here you got the dashboard, which is a lot of information about the leads you have. If you want to create all these new feeds, more information about Tidio, and pretty much that's it. So here we got. I hope you guys learn. Let me know if you have any questions. Like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.